Hi, my name's Heather Illick with Go Keyless. I'm the Director of Marketing and E-commerce, and I'm here today at NAPCO Security Technologies headquarters with Andy, and today we're going to be doing an installation on the Networx upgrade kit.
So what this kit is, it's parts and pieces that you need to take a standard offline lock and move it up to the Networx lock. So I'm going to show you the parts, and then we're going to replace the parts that need to be replaced. So the first part inside the kit is the brain of the lock. This is the outside housing. It has the keypad and prox reader if that is what you want. That's one of the nice things about this kit. I can take a keypad only lock, a DL2700, and move it up to a lock now that we're using prox, and we have scheduling, and we have all of the benefits of one of the higher tiered locks, so with little cost.
Thanks, Andy. That was really simple. If you'd like to upgrade, get in touch with Go Keyless today.